Cats game in Scratch. Let's choose a ball. Let's choose one backdrop. Now let's move this ball by using the arrow keys. So for that, events forever if right arrow key is pressed, change x by 10. If left arrow is pressed, then change by -10. Let's check once. This is the movement of the ball. Now next, choose another. Let's choose apple. Let's decrease the size to 80, make it a little small. And now this apple will fall down there. So what we'll do is, first of all, go to random position. Now let's see with the apple is going in the random position. What we have to make this in the X point top only. So for that, set Y to 180. If we do this now, the Y is 180. This is the 180 position. You can see now 180 position. In this when green flag click. So whenever we click the green flag, the apple will be on the top. Now next is to what apple fall down. So for that, one more time, when green flag clicked, forever change y by -5, so the apple is falling down once. So but when it touches the, if it if y value is less than 170, because y value will be up, it is if 180, then down if 170 y position, then the game will stop. Then what we will do stop all, the game will stop. It looks stopping them without writing this, but also you need to do this to stop the game. Now this, it should catch the apple and change the score. For this, one more time, when green flag click, forever. After that, we can set the, if 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 touches the bulb, then what we should do is it should go to the random position, same like this too. Go to random, and then set y to 100. So what happens is once it touches the ball, it again go up there. Look, if it doesn't, then it will stop the game. Now we have to score for score. So variable scor, score, and this set score and change score. Now, first of all, when green flag click, set score to 0, and when touching the whole scene, we can use sound also. Start sound. If touching the ball, start sound also we can do. Change score by 1. Now, let's see once. 1. OMG, it is very far. Oh, oh. 5, 6. Let's see. The game is, and when again green flag, we can set this position. So what we can do is we can put this in the middle, and when green flag clicked, go to X. Right, this will be the position whenever the suppose this game stopped here. When I will restart the game, the ball also take the position. Thank you everyone.